Today, we're talking about 10 foods you should avoid if you're over 50 and want to stay healthy. You've probably heard it before, but I'll say it again, food is like medicine. It can be tough to say no to delicious foods, but if you want to stay healthy as you age and avoid common issues like high blood pressure or diabetes, it's important to think about what you eat. So, let's dive into the 10 foods that many people over 50 should steer clear of to stay youthful and healthy. Number 1. Soda. Soda is one of the worst drinks for people over 50 who want to stay healthy. It's loaded with sugar, which can lead to diabetes and other health issues. Soda also contains phosphoric acid, which weakens calcium in your bones, making them more susceptible to fractures. Regular soda consumption raises your risk for heart disease and stroke as well. The American Diabetes Association suggests that no more than 10% of your daily calories should come from sugar, just 50 grams for men and 40 grams for women if you're eating 2,000 calories a day. Many sodas can easily push you over this limit. Not to mention, soda's artificial ingredients can make your skin look older and dull. Instead of soda, try water with lemon or lime, or mix sparkling water with real fruit juice to create a healthier, hydrating drink. Number 2. Fast food. Fast food is unhealthy for everyone, but it's especially bad for people over 50. As we age, our bodies require different nutrients. Fast food meals are often packed with calories, sometimes over 1,000 calories per meal. They're also high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can clog your arteries and contribute to heart disease. The excessive sodium in fast food raises blood pressure, which is risky for older adults. Plus, fast food often lacks essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. These are the things we need more of as we age to stay healthy. Number 3. Processed meats. Processed meats are typically high in saturated fats and sodium, both of which contribute to elevated cholesterol levels, high blood pressure, and an increased risk of heart disease. As we age, these risks become more significant. These meats are calorie-dense and often contain unhealthy fats that contribute to weight gain and obesity. Since metabolism tends to slow down with age, this can lead to other related health issues like type 2 diabetes. For a healthier diet, consider replacing processed meats with leaner protein sources, such as fish, beans, or fresh poultry. This shift can help reduce health risks while maintaining nutritional balance. Number 4. White bread and pasta. White bread and pasta are made from refined grains, which have a high glycemic index. This means they cause rapid increases in blood sugar levels, followed by sharp drops, which can leave you feeling hungry soon after eating. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. The consumption of refined grains, like white bread and pasta, has been linked to higher cholesterol levels and an increased risk of heart disease, especially as metabolism slows with age. Refined carbs like white bread and pasta can promote inflammation in the body, which is a factor in the development of chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. For a healthier diet, switch to whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta, which are lower on the glycemic index and provide more nutrients and fiber, supporting better overall health as you age. Number 5. Dairy products with added sugar. Dairy products with added sugar, such as flavored yogurts, milkshakes, and sweetened cheeses, are often high in calories. Excessive consumption of these foods can contribute to weight gain, especially since metabolism slows down as we age. Weight gain in midlife is associated with an increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Dairy products are an important source of calcium, vital for maintaining bone density, which is especially important after 50 when bone density naturally decreases. However, the high sugar content in certain dairy products can interfere with calcium absorption, contributing to bone loss and increasing the risk of osteoporosis. For optimal bone health, it's important to choose unsweetened dairy or alternative sources of calcium, like leafy greens or fortified non-dairy milk. Diets rich in added sugars have been linked to higher triglyceride levels, which in turn increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Since the risk of heart disease tends to rise with age, reducing sugar consumption is crucial for maintaining heart health. Consistently high sugar intake can contribute to elevated blood pressure and unhealthy cholesterol levels, which are risk factors for heart disease. By avoiding dairy products with added sugars, individuals over 50 can help mitigate these risks, supporting better metabolic health, bone density, reduced inflammation, and cardiovascular health. Number 6. Red meat. Red meat, particularly when cooked at high temperatures, like grilling or frying, has been shown to promote inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with many age-related diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. As inflammation can be harder to manage after 50, reducing red meat intake may help lower these risks. Red meat is calorie-dense and typically lacks fiber, which can contribute to overeating and weight gain. Since metabolism naturally slows with age, this can lead to obesity, a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Studies have found that people who consume large amounts of red meat are at a higher risk of developing diabetes. Although red meat contains iron and protein, excessive consumption can lead to an imbalance in calcium metabolism, potentially contributing to bone loss and increasing the risk of osteoporosis. As bone density naturally decreases with age, reducing red meat intake can support better bone health. For overall health, it's recommended to focus more on plant-based proteins, fish, and poultry as you age. Number 7. Low-fat and fat-free processed foods. Low-fat and fat-free processed foods tend to be lacking in essential nutrients like protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. When fat is removed, these foods often become empty calories that don't contribute much to nutritional needs. For individuals over 50, maintaining a balanced diet rich in nutrients is crucial for supporting overall health, including heart health, bone strength, and immune function. Many low-fat and fat-free processed foods are made with refined carbohydrates and sugars, which have been linked to higher triglyceride levels and insulin resistance. Both of these are risk factors for cardiovascular disease, which becomes a greater concern as we age. To make up for the flavor loss when fat is removed, manufacturers often add sugar or artificial sweeteners. These added sugars can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. As metabolism slows with age, the body struggles more to process excess sugar, raising the risk of metabolic issues like obesity and diabetes. Instead of low-fat and fat-free processed foods, it's better to opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods, such as lean meats, healthy fats, like those from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. These provide the necessary nutrients for maintaining good health after 50. Number 8. Fried foods. Fried foods are calorie-dense, often containing more calories than other cooking methods like baking or grilling. As metabolism naturally slows after 50, consuming these calorie-heavy foods can contribute to weight gain, which is a significant risk factor for conditions like diabetes and hypertension. The oils used in frying, especially when heated repeatedly, can form compounds that promote inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to several age-related diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Frying foods at high temperatures can destroy beneficial nutrients, such as vitamins and antioxidants, that are crucial for overall health, especially bone and immune health as we age. In summary, reducing fried foods can significantly improve heart health, prevent weight gain, decrease inflammation, and support overall well-being after 50. Number 9. Refined grains. Refined grains, such as white bread, white pasta, and most breakfast cereals, are quickly broken down into sugar in the body. This leads to rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by crashes, which can contribute to insulin resistance and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. As metabolism naturally slows with age, managing blood sugar becomes even more critical. Diets high in refined grains have been associated with increased inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can contribute to various age-related conditions, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and cognitive decline. Reducing refined grain consumption can help manage inflammation, which becomes harder to control with age. Refined grains are often low in heart-healthy fats and high in simple carbohydrates, which can elevate triglyceride levels and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. As heart disease risk rises after age 50, switching to whole grains that are higher in fiber and lower on the glycemic index is a healthier option. For better health after 50, it's recommended to replace refined grains with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat products, which provide more fiber and essential nutrients while reducing the risks associated with refined grains. Number 10. Alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption might be okay for some people, it can become problematic as we age. Drinking alcohol in excess can lead to a variety of health issues, including liver disease, high blood pressure, and an increased risk of certain cancers. Alcohol can also interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients, leading to deficiencies that can affect overall health, especially in older adults. Additionally, alcohol can disrupt sleep patterns, which is particularly concerning for those over 50, as poor sleep is already a common issue with age. Chronic alcohol consumption can also contribute to weight gain, as it is high in empty calories and can increase appetite. For better health after 50, it's recommended to limit alcohol intake. If you do choose to drink, aim for moderation, no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men, and focus on staying hydrated with water or herbal teas. Thanks for watching this video on the 10 foods you should avoid after age 50 for better health. I hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to make healthier choices in your diet. Remember, it's never too late to start eating better and taking care of your body. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts or any foods you think should be avoided in the comments below. Here's to your health and a vibrant life.